How to give edit access in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs file that you want to share. Once your document is open, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen. It usually looks like a person with a plus sign or just says share. Next, you will see a section where it says add people or groups. Tap on it and type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. After typing the email, look for the drop-down menu below it. It might show viewer or commentator by default. Tap on it and select editor from the list. This is the option that gives full edit access to the person you are sharing with. Once you have selected editor, you can also add a message if needed. This is optional but helpful if you want to explain why you are sharing the document. After that, tap the send icon and the person will receive an email with the invitation to edit the document. Alternatively, if you want to share the document with many people using a link, tap on the three dots from the top right corner and then select Manage Access. From there, select anyone with the link under the General Access section. Then, change the access from viewer to editor and copy the link. You can now send this link to anyone you want to give edit access to. And that's it. Now you know how to give edit access in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.